Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. No! Hello, Americans. And other friends and subscribers around the world.
Fuck you, man! Dude, it is snowing to beat heck. Whoa, man, it is icy. Almost died right there, right on camera, man. That would have been it.
Got up there. So, probably got, can't really tell too much, but got a heck of a lot of snow, man. Probably have to measure it out front. Out here, everything, there's the cover of the trees, so it's kind of hard, but I would guess probably 8 or 9 inches overnight, man. It snowed. I actually stopped last night and it got cold as cold because, man, the stars were out and everything, and then it started back up this morning, and it's been snowing for a good bit, and then it's supposed to just snow for, oh wait, tomorrow I think we're supposed to get a break, if you listen to the weather guys, but you never know with them. So right now what I'm doing, you can see I sawed up a couple of the other knotty lodge poles just to keep, because I'm going to take that stuff in the cabin, trying not to touch the one crib until the end of this month, and that's just, just planning, man, on a, when you live this lifestyle stuff, you got to set, especially when you heat with wood and it's 100%, your heat source, you want to watch and stagger and everything like that. And that's my, that's pretty much my February stash is what that is. And then with that, and that's all split, nice split, a lot of tamarack in there, man. So if we start getting to the bitter cold, because the tamarack burns so much hotter, it's been awesome for when it gets really cold. Today, I seen this morning when I was catching the local news, today was the official first day of the Snowmageddon or whatever, 3 years ago today. And it was that, and this is down in the flatlands down in Boise and stuff, and it was 11 below, I think, down there 3 years ago. And that's, man, and then we got all that snow, and then it was 11 degrees 3 years ago today, and then tomorrow, 3 years ago, tomorrow, it warmed up and it was 42, so it went from 11 below zero to 40 degrees or something, just in one day. Crazy. Broke all kinds of records, and then that's when we had all that snow, and then it all melted, and we had rain, and everything started collapsing, man. And Weezer got the worst of it. Anyway, so I'm doing, sawed that wood up, so I'm going to start getting that in the cabin. Stagger it up. You can't see them here, but I still got all my lodge poles. What I did is, I had put the ones, because I have like ones with crooks and ones, whimsical ones, and I kind of put those aside, and saw up and use other ones as I go along. And I got wood all over the place. I got some big rounds over there I need to split, stuff like that, so I just kind of stagger it. But I still have another crib with some split stuff, because I like to do the split stuff, but then I like throwing the rounds in on top of the split stuff, and get it ripping and roaring. So that's my plan with the wood. The tarp that you see there is because it's died down a little bit now, but the snow's still going sideways. We're kind of blocked right here, but it's blowing in, not so much of my eBay stuff, but it's blowing in because I didn't get this front done and a door on it and stuff. So I'm just going to put that tarp up there to block that. We got Sissy in here. Sissy stayed the night with us last night, so we got our little Sissy, and we were going to come playing sled and all that, but it's just pretty dang cold out here. So we'll check back in a minute. God bless the dog.
Look at this little hill, man. Look at that. That's Marianne. Hey, baby, they're dog. Ooh. Yeehaw, man. Whoa, dude. Whoa, you need to get some clothes on. Ooh, I think I'm going in. It's cold out here. It's a blizzard. Look at this. You got a tank top on? Holy smokes, man. We got to help you out here. Holy moly. I got to put this camera up. Come on, Marianne. Come on, let's go in. It's too cold out here. Marianne. Come on. Oh, look at him. Oh. Look at her. Huh? You didn't sled yet? Well, you better do it once. Hurry up. Come on, I'll help.
Look at her. Yeah. Woo. You gonna keep staying out here? Oh, really? I gotta take my camera off, man. It's get all wet. I've had enough.
Let's go, Sissy. Look at that crazy kid. All right, you going in now? You coming in now? Okay, let's go. It's cold out here. Look, we lost that dog. It's gonna be bear bait. Marianne! Oh, come on, girl, let's go in. Oh, let's go in, Marianne. It's so cold. Look at her, bitch. She's so cute.
Hey. All right, my fingers are froze. Going into warm up for the next chores, man. Because just because the snow comes, that only really makes the chores really begin. Haven't even fired up the snow blower yet. Let's take a gander out there. Got a little bit here that we should shovel. Kind of holding the camera weird, making a fast run through because of the snow, so I don't know if I'm blocking what you can see. I just don't want the camera getting all wet. Not too bad. Get some. I haven't measured. I really don't care. All I know is there's enough of dang snow that. And obviously more coming, and yuck. So I think really, man, we're just gonna clip in some other goodies in here, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Helps keep the lights on, the home fires burning, the propane tanks full, and boy, we need them right now. Check out the links below, the eBay store and everything. Look at, even Kyle wants to go in.
And yes, man, and get your postcards in for the drawing. You got like 2 days, I think, or tomorrow. I don't know. Whatever the 8th, man. I think it's Wednesday. I think it's tomorrow. So, good Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise. We'll be back again tomorrow. See ya.